together. You're going to make a scissor motion like this.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I got to get up to the fourth
Gracie's
level.
swimming. Remember, on your tummy.
Fourth level, Gracie.
Get on your tummy.
On your tummy. There you go. Keep going. Keep
Kick,
going.
kick, 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 kick,
There
kick.
you go. Nice. All right.
Now I'm on the fifth level.
Fifth level.
No, don't get bring me.
This is where you get an epic. You get a purple on this one.
Oh, God, babe. Okay, Grace, on your tummy.
I can do it, Mommy.
On your tummy.
Oh, keep kick,
Kick, kick, kick, kick, kick, kick, kick, kick,
Keep
kick,
kicking.
kick.
All right. Now, one thing I noticed that you do, you're on the 6th level now, but one thing I noticed that you do is that when you start kicking harder, you're slow down on your. You have to keep this up too.
Okay, now go.
Keep your paddling up,
Let's
and keep
go.
your kicking up.
Stop talking and go.
6th level.
Okay, arms and legs. Crawl like a baby. There you go.
There you go.
Paddle,
Kick and
paddle,
Kick and
paddle,
Kick and
paddle.
Kick and paddle.
Good job!
Nice. All right.
I know how to swim.
You're doing pretty good. All right, hang tight.
You can do it.
Don't worry, I'll get to you if you can't do it. Make it.
Okay, there you go. Arms and legs, arms and legs, arms and legs, arms and legs, arms and legs.
Paddle. All right, we'll have to do that level over.
You're a baby.
Yeah, that was one life right there. You got to do another one. Hold on.
This is my last one.
Okay.
Level 7. Come on, Grace.
Arms and legs, arms and legs, arms and legs.
All right, now paddle. Now paddle. Gotcha. You got to paddle. One more time.
Let's go.
All
No,
right,
I get it.
all right, remember. You got to paddle. Paddle like this. Paddle like this.
Just go, monkey. Just go.
Like this.
Just go.
Make sure you clip your hands.
Just go. Wait. You're about to make me drown. No.
Let's put you back up and we'll try it one more time.
No.
Okay, go. You're on video.
Here we go. We got your level 7 range. Hold on. Not there yet. Here you go.
1, 2, 3.
Kick. Kick.
Arms.
Paddle. Arms. You gotta use your arms.
I did.
You're not using your arms. You're spending.
Okay, just be
You're an
quiet.
excellent kicker, but you gotta paddle. One more time.
Go.
One more time. This is the end boss.
All right, this is it. I'm going to
Boss
stop
time.
recording.
Can I take it over there?
Here, this is the end boss. Let's go.
There you go. Arms
Paddle
and
with your
legs.
With your arms. Paddle with your arms. Paddle with your arms. With your arms. Come on. Paddle with your arms.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, wave bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera.